Hi everyone, my name's Angela and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Singer 4411. Now I usually use industrial machinery, but I wanted to buy a domestic machine that was a little bit more heavy duty that could do a zigzag and a 4-step buttonhole. I ordered this Sunday night and it was delivered to me by Tuesday afternoon, exactly as you see it. Part of the proceeds goes to the McGraw Foundation, as you can see here on the sticker. I paid $399 Australian and $15 for the shipping. On the side of the box, it shows that there's 6 basic stitches, 4 decorative stitches, and an automatic 4-step buttonhole. On the back of the box, it says there's easy threading with a top drop-in bobbin, drop feed for free motion sewing, a heavy metal frame, and also adjustable presser foot pressure. Let's start the unboxing. I'm just going to turn the box around so that handle's not in the way for me to just slide it straight out. It's packed pretty securely with these big styrofoam sides. Included with the machine is a dust cover and a bag of accessories. There's also a DVD and warranty and an instruction manual. So the machine itself is pretty cute. It almost looks like a toy industrial machine. Packed within it is also the lightweight foot speed control and power cord. First, let's just remove these little stickers. On the right side of the machine, the power cord goes into that main socket. We'll switch on the power and light switch. There's the buttonhole stitch balance there, our hand wheel, the bobbin winder spindle, and the bobbin stopper. There's a hole for the auxiliary spool pin. We also have our carry handle, the horizontal spool pin, the stitch width dial for straight to zigzag stitches. It goes from 0 to 6 with the indicator there. We also have our stitch length dial. It goes 0 to 1 for buttonholes and then 1 to 4 for the other stitches. The dial's nice and clicky. There's another dial for the pattern selection. It goes straight. There's buttonholes, zigzag, and the decorative stitches. That dial's also clicky. Next we have the 3-position needle dial. Goes from center to right and back to left again. The tension dial goes from 0 to 9. There's the reverse lever to stitch backwards. The take-up lever, so when you move the hand wheel, that goes up and down. There's a few thread guides there, and then there's the adjustment for the presser foot pressure. There's the presser foot. We'll just lift that up, and we'll just pop the cover for the bobbin open. You remove that cover, the bobbin is in there, and the cover just clicks back in. On the side, there's also a thread cutter. The removable extension table pulls right out for free arm sewing. There's also a storage drawer for accessories attached to it. There's a 2-step presser foot lifter. It'll lift it up to the first position and even higher when you're sewing thicker fabrics or several layers. On the back, there's the drop feed control. Take a look at the feed dogs. When you push that control button to the left, the feed dogs drop for free motion and button sewing. Let's take a look at some of the accessories. First, there's the large spool cap. If you have thread that is cross-wound in this crisscross pattern, you want to put that type of thread onto the horizontal spool pin and then the spool cap tightly onto it. You can also use the smaller cap that's included for smaller spools of thread. Next is the auxiliary spool pin that goes onto the machine vertically, and then you place the spool pin felt onto it. This spool pin is meant for spools of thread that are stack wound horizontally. You place this type of spool onto the vertical pin because the spool is meant to turn as it empties. There's a package of size 14 machine needles. It's a good idea to get some different size needles depending on your project. There's a little screwdriver that can be used on different parts of the machine. There's a zipper foot, a buttonhole foot, and also a foot for sewing on buttons. There's some class 15 transparent bobbins. There's 4 in total, including the one that's in the machine. There's a little cleaning brush that also turns into a stitch ripper on the other end. And lastly, there's a quilting guide. This edge or quilting guide just needs to be inserted into the spring-loaded opening behind the presser foot here. Just push that pointy end in, and you can slide it across to whatever measurement you need the edge of your project or the line of your quilting to be. Now, if you found this video helpful, please share it and hit the like button and notification bell. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss my next video where I use this machine to attach satin binding to a hand-knitted blanket. Thanks again for watching, and happy sewing!